All right, it is time for another video. We're excited. I'm Tom, got my compadre Luke. Today we're going to be talking about something awesome.
What's that?
Allergen-free vegan chocolate.
Sit tight in a little bit. That's a great intro. We will run it and see in a little bit.
Only here at Lynn's Cake Candy and
Chocolate Supplies.
We're back. Super excited today. We're standing in front of our chocolate area, our chocolate wall.
Oh yeah.
The Wall o' Fun.
Mount Chocolympus.
So we're here at Mount Chocolympus. We want to feature something that is super popular. It's very important. We have a allergen-free vegan melting chocolate in both a white and a mild dark.
Here's the white, here's the dark. So a melting chocolate. So I can do this with mold work. What else could I do with the melting chocolate?
Dipping. So if we wanted to dip some fruit, if we want to just make a bark, we may want to melt that down, spread it on a piece of wax paper, parchment paper, make a nice chocolate bark. So works great.
Yeah, I'm really happy that we carry this. You know, I know so many family and friends that have gluten allergy, dairy allergy, nut allergy is another big one. And this is an option. It's an available where they can have this. They can have chocolate goodies with people.
Right, they're not left out.
They're not left out. So we're super happy to offer this. You know, no matter if you're doing this for an allergy or you want more of a product, more of a chocolate that has more wholesome ingredients, and more of like a healthy quote unquote chocolate alternative, this is a great option.
It is, right? And so it's manufactured in a nut-free, soy-free facility, also shellfish-free facility.
That's good.
Yeah, I mean, it's a common ingredient in chocolate, so it's
if
good
you ever
to
get
know.
that fishy taste, you just know they had shellfish.
So they do a great job, the manufacturer, just focusing on making sure it's nice and pure. We buy this in a 50-pound case. We sanitize everything, and then we repackage it in 1-pound packages for everyone to get. So the key here is the taste is exceptional. I would say the dark is very mild, almost like a cross between a milk and a dark chocolate, without that bitter dark chocolate aftertaste.
Okay.
And the white, what would you say?
Again, delicious vanilla taste. You know, you would think like, oh man, for taking out all those ingredients and only having sugar, palm kernel oil, natural flavor, sunflower lecithin, and salt, that it would taste like it has that little ingredients. But no, this stuff is phenomenal. It tastes great. So delicious vanilla, mild dark chocolate taste.
Right. So I guess the only drawback with the video is you can't taste it, but we can only feature it. We encourage you guys, if you're in the Twin Cities area, stop by the store, get a sample. If you're outside the Twin Cities area, order it online. You won't regret it. Again, no one is going to be left out with having this available to them.
That's right. So it'll be linked down below. We'll have both of these for options to check out. There'll be more detail and information in the product description. And you can always call in or email us if you have more inquiries about this. And then melting chocolate. So it can be melted in the microwave. Last question.
Yep, exactly. We'll do it the same process that we've covered in the past.
Yep. All right, and that video, I'll try to link it up some corner. I'll try to link it somewhere so you can see how to melt chocolate.
The best way, what we recommend, exactly. So thank you very much. We appreciate your time as always. You guys are awesome. We look forward to seeing you soon at Lynn's Cake Candy and
Chocolate Supplies.